Now, the other block enhancement they have is something that allow for it to automatically detect. And if you look in the insert tab, there's the, over on the left, you have the insert. We have a new button over here that's called detect. If you click on this button right here, it will go through looking for, this is the technology preview. And you can see right here, it tells us, that's sort of the disclaimer there. It works best for items that are in plan. It's looking for architectural objects in floor plan. So it's elevations, not quite there yet. All right. I can still use the B convert command for elevation. So if I have windows that are on a side of the building or anything like that, or maybe it's a cut feature that is put into a stock metal that maybe represents the gear teething or something like that, I can actually go and convert those into blocks and what have you. Once it's finished, you get this review button. And this is where, as a disclaimer, you're going to see that it picks up quite a bit of things. It's got 9 items. And you might look at this and say, well, what is it selecting? Well, it selected the column. Yeah, I guess that could be. But I'm more interested in some of the other architectural things that perhaps like the doors. These items here were not, blocks here, and it detected that it wasn't a block. And so if you have worked with the tool drawing compare, this toolbar is very much like that. You can see that we can just navigate through each instance of what it detects. And we can come over here, you can do a convert, clicking on this. Over here, we can actually, pull up an error report if there was any. But for us, what we would like to do is hit this convert. And it's, fortunately for us, it's the same dialogue that we've gone through, same interface we've gone through. And so at this point, I can say I can choose another door, but you got to be careful because the other door, let's take a look at this. You can see how the door swings is actually considerably wider. The 90-degree may not be the best choice, right? So maybe create a new block and give it a name. So I'll just call this, let's do door 2. Anytime you have something that already exists, you'll get feedback instantly. It says, hey, this is already being used. So I'm just going to go ahead and do door 2. Maybe it's, the door is, let's say 36 inches, right? So I might put door 36 just to represent the size of that. Of course, we can use the center of geometry, or we can go and pick a point that we would like. And I'm just going to use the corner right here as actually, I'm going to put it like right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit convert. Now, once I have that in place, it's converted. I can go through and look at other items, and then I can close out. And now you can see that I have these turned into a block. So again, really cool enhancement with the block detection, with the block conversion, makes our life a lot easier when we're working with this.